Richard Gafabsa Mhumza uyu mwishengero wa Bugamba County mu district ya Bundibugyo na jonga abahingi aba bakiye kurinda omutindo gwa kokowa baba nibenda kugumana biha mu sente hamwe no kurinda katare kayo.
Number one is that we should maintain the quality of cocoa, because these prices, if we don't maintain the quality of cocoa, then it will affect also the price. So for us to keep reaping this price, we should maintain the quality of cocoa.
Hinga bandi ntugumantwara ntugiyamo no mushaka no mushiri. So nsaba government at least to security yamani bokuba abanaka bashimana bibaza kutitira umushiri. Bokuba ikikopo kimwe mbaso no kiguza sinjikakaga ninga 15 ekibisi ikitagira musana.
Abahingi ntibashaba ko habaho kwegesibwa na mnongo kubine kwebikira sente ezibari kwiho mushingwe iki.
Nibizani bicuka nje no garukano cyajibugana yagaruka 15 nje garuka yabugana singa kasanje. So saba government ishomesha abantu ishomesha abahingi bashomeshe bakora ibintu byo mugaso.
Government yeyongere tuwe factories nyingi kubange kitukosa tuina factory emu eyesiko osisinkana abantu ababundibugyo bagenda mu esiko babera banji ne kitukosa okubera nga tuli mu line ogenze notwara koko yensa ubiri saunya naye ngosubira ntino lolunako ogenda funa sente naye bakwongera mu mwezi gumu oba mu wiki 2.
Babate bakunirwa olumukuru w'entebe ya Katana bwa Bundibugyo district beehanangiriziibwe abarukutabara ebitari kukyengwa omukingo eki okurekeraho muzogo.
As leaders, we are opening up our eyes to ensure that we sensitize the farmers to maintain the quality, and we are seeing that the problem of compromising the quality is not with the local farmers. They are middlemen who are positioned themselves in a sense that they can be there between the farmer and the cocoa buying company.
And we want to encourage the Christian, the money they get from cocoa, they use it for production by buying animals, by rearing pigs.
Gashoka Gilbert Mhangu zo mu Bundibugyo.